friends and welcome to Amazon. Today, we have got something really exciting to unbox and review. It's the latest addition to the Narzo series and it's making quite the buzz. You guessed it right. We have the all-new realme Narzo N60 Pro with us. So, let's dive into what this beauty has to offer. Inside the realme Narzo N60 Pro, you will find the MediaTek Dimensity 12GB+256GB processor. It's like having power in all the right places. This chipset is built on an advanced TSMC 6nm process, which translates to outstanding energy efficiency. And hey, speaking of efficiency, the powerful performance this chip delivers lets you play all those mainstream games without breaking a sweat. But first things first, let's talk about what you'll be staring at all day. This beautiful display. The realme Narzo N60 Pro boasts of a 6.7-inch FHD Plus curved vision display. Enjoy immersive content viewing with amazing clarity on this display. And I mean, come on, who doesn't love a battery smooth 120Hz refresh rate? And that curve, it's not just eye candy. It's a comfortable way to enjoy your favorite games or OTT content. Witness more than 1 billion colors, HDR+ support as well. Full marks to Realme for this display. And speaking of immersion, this phone is not only premium inside but also a stunner on the outside. It has this premium vegan leather finish in the Mars Orange color variant that's not only incredibly stylish but also resistant to stains. While the Cosmic Black variant with its premium polycarbonate back looks is elegant and sophisticated. Plus that luxurious metallic touch. It's like holding sophistication in your hand. Alright, let's talk about something that really captures life's moments, the camera. Get ready for this, a whooping 100 megapixel primary camera. With its Pro Light camera technology, your photos are going to be next level detail. And the Super OIS technology, it's like having your personal motion stabilizer. So goodbye to all blurry shots. Also, get crystal clear selfies and amazing clarity during video calls with the 16 megapixel front camera. Now, let's tackle something we all care about, the battery life. With the 5000 mAh battery under the hood, you are looking at up to 19 hours of non-stop video playback. And wait for it, the 67-watt Super Whoop charging is the icing on the cake. I mean seriously, it's like magic. Up to 50% charged in less than 20 minutes. No more endless waiting to get charged up, folks. Running out of space for your endless selfies? Fear not, realme Narzo N60 Pro comes with multiple storage options ranging from 128GB, 256GB all the way up to an incredible 1TB. And let's not forget the RAM. Choose between 8GB or a 12GB variant. Say goodbye to those app reloads. Double up your RAM power with inbuilt dynamic RAM support and experience speed like never before. Now let's talk about speed, the 5G speed to be precise. With realme Narzo N60 Pro, you are all set for the future with top-notch 5G support. Whether you're streaming, gaming or video conferencing, you'll be doing it all at lightning speed. So there you have it, folks, the realme Narzo N60 Pro. It's got everything you need in a smartphone and then some more. Stunning display, powerful performance, camera that's on point and a battery that just won't quit. I don't know about you, but I am seriously impressed. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more juicy tech reviews.